Ka Gospel Lukas lendong bakat sau, dakot kat ar haduk kat sau.
Then Jesus said to his host, "When you give a luncheon or dinner, do not invite your friends, your brothers or sisters, your relatives or your rich neighbors. If you do, they may invite you back, and so you will be repaid. But when you give a banquet, invite the poor, the crippled, the lame, the blind, and you will be blessed. Although they cannot repay you, you will be repaid at the resurrection of the righteous."
Tulis biang lendong kat sau, dakot kat ar haduk kat sau. Te ujisu la ong au traying balakot sau bahayu. Apa pi pelong gajing kawai menski ne ben met wat wari ki lokicor ne ken ben paran ne ki kur ki cai ne ya ki paramatan ki paraspa. Bakine kin wer pat ya pi pada kata korukom kin siu keliang. Henry apa pi kre jing kawai to wari ki baduk bakerdu kedekut keti dekut kejat kedeko kedekia bakimat la mat pe. Paten sayo jengkarku namar ba kim la ban siu keliang ya pi. Ublay unsa siu bai nong ya pi ha ka jing mi pat ki bahok. Ka Gospel Utrai.